Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Concept. A true icon reborn, this modern interpretation of the beloved bug blends retro nostalgia with cutting-edge technology and sleek, futuristic design. Let's explore everything that makes this concept car a standout in the EV market, from its stunning exterior to its powerful performance and the features that could make it a game-changer. At first glance, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Concept immediately captures attention with its bold, aerodynamic silhouette. Volkswagen has masterfully maintained the classic curves that made the original Beetle so iconic while refining every line for a more dynamic and aggressive stance. The front end features a minimalist approach, with smooth, flowing lines and circular LED headlights that pay homage to the classic Beetle design. These headlights aren't just for show, they feature an adaptive lighting system that automatically adjusts to driving conditions, enhancing visibility and safety. The sleek, closed front grille adds to the EV identity, while subtle air intakes improve aerodynamics and cooling efficiency. The side profile is equally impressive, with a gently sloping roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear. This design not only enhances the car's sporty character but also contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency, improving range and overall performance. The large black alloy wheels, wrapped in low-profile performance tires, give the Beetle a grounded, athletic look, while flush door handles and streamlined side mirrors add to the futuristic aesthetic. Every detail feels intentional, balancing modern innovation with classic charm. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Beetle Concept makes an even stronger statement. The continuous LED light bar stretches across the entire width of the car, visually widening its stance and adding a high-tech touch. The sculpted rear bumper features an integrated diffuser, while quad exhaust style elements hint at the car's sporty ambitions, even though it's a fully electric vehicle. The VW logo sits proudly at the center of the rear hatch, glowing subtly to match the rear light signature. It's a perfect blend of past and future, honoring the original design while pushing the boundaries of what an electric Beetle can be. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, the 2025 Beetle Concept is powered by Volkswagen's latest MEB platform, the same architecture used in the ID lineup. This gives the car a low center of gravity and excellent weight distribution, translating to sharp handling and a surprisingly engaging driving experience. The single-motor rear-wheel drive version is expected to produce around 250 horsepower, while a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant could push that number closer to 350 horsepower. Acceleration is brisk, with the AWD model potentially hitting 0 to 60 mph in just under 5 seconds. And with an estimated range of around 300 miles on a full charge, the Beetle is more than ready for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Charging is equally convenient, thanks to Volkswagen's fast charging technology. The Beetle Concept can recover up to 80% of its battery in just 30 minutes when using a high-speed DC charger, making road trips more feasible than ever. The car also comes equipped with regenerative braking, which helps extend range by converting kinetic energy back into usable electricity during deceleration. When it comes to pricing, Volkswagen is expected to position the Beetle Concept competitively within the EV market. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of around $35,000 for the base model, with higher performance trims and additional luxury features pushing the price closer to $50,000. This places the Beetle Concept in direct competition with vehicles like the Tesla Model 3 and Hyundai Ioniq 5, but with the added advantage of its rich heritage and unmistakable design language. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle Concept's biggest selling point is its ability to blend iconic design with modern performance and technology. For longtime Beetle enthusiasts, it offers a chance to reconnect with a beloved classic in a form that's ready for the future. And for new EV buyers, it's an attractive option that stands out in a market increasingly filled with similar-looking crossovers and sedans. The Beetle Concept brings personality to the EV space, a car that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, but does so with style, character, and a nod to automotive history. As we wrap up, It's clear that the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle concept is more than just a design study, it's a symbol of what's possible when automakers respect their roots while embracing innovation. If this concept makes it to production, it could very well become one of the most exciting EV releases of the decade, capturing hearts just like the original Beetle did. Let us know in the comments what you think about this modern reimagining of the classic Bug. Would you drive one? And what features do you hope make it to the final production version? Thanks for tuning into Auto Speed's Vibes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the hottest cars and concepts hitting the streets. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.